the remains of Liam Farrell are to be exhumed as the Gardai continue their investigation into the 87-year-old's death in Leitrim just over 6 years ago now. And to discuss this latest development, I'm joined by Liam's son, Brendan. Brendan, you're very welcome. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Claire. Thank you very much.
We've spoken a number of times about this and about your campaign for justice and for a full investigation. How do you feel this morning?
Well, while it's yet to be confirmed to the family, Claire, as you can imagine, it's a very difficult step. We have called for it. We do feel that it would be a great step in the right direction in the advancement of the investigation and to give us a better insight into what happened that weekend.
But it's a very tough thing to have to go through. I know it gets you to where you want to be, or you hope that it does, but it must be a very, very hard thing for you to face.
Yeah, I don't think we've really, I suppose, because there's been so much happening over the last 6 years, 3 months since Dad passed, we haven't had time to even process it. So I don't really know how we'll feel until it actually happens. I think it's one thing talking about it, but then when it actually happens, I don't know what to expect. Because this is our dad. This is the amazing, big, strong man that everybody loved. And he was a great family man. And, I'm sitting here outside his house, Claire, and I cannot believe I'm looking down at the road again, and I still cannot believe, that this could ever happen,
Yeah, but I mean, for you, and I know from our previous conversations that you and the rest of the family, you will not stop until you do everything that you can do to try and find out what happened on that night.
Absolutely, and we have to do it. And I'm so thankful to the Serious Crimes Cold Case team, Claire, for their amazing work. They've hit the ground running. They're a wonderful, very passionate, talented team of experts, and we're so fortunate to have them. And I'm so thankful to the Justice Minister, Mr. Jim O'Callaghan, and the Garda Commissioner, Mr. Justin Kelly, for their work as well in Dad's case to get us to where we are, and to yourselves as well and the media across the country, because all we want to do is find out what happened, Dad. And the support we have got from the people of Rooski and across Ireland and even further afield has been amazing. And here's a man that lived a simple life, worked in the meat factory, Claire, worked on the farm here, and he was a very active man right up until his passing. And he loved meeting people and good engagement, a few sociable drinks. And that's all it was that night, to go down for a few sociable drinks. And we just need to find out, what happened to him, because the shock of finding him that day was just, it'll never leave us. It's like, even every time I talk about it, and I always say this, it's like 5 minutes ago, and the hairs go up in the back of your neck. And we just